Okay, so imagine this. You walk into your office on Monday morning, your boss smiles at you and says, "Hey, how was your weekend?" And you just freeze. You have no idea what to say. Does this sound familiar? Or maybe worse, you finally share some exciting news at work, like, "I got promoted," and everyone just stares at you like you're speaking another language. Trust me, talking about work and sharing good news in English can feel really scary. But today, we're going to fix that. Stay with us because by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say, how to say it, and you'll feel confident doing it.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Oh, stop it, Max. But yes, hello everyone. We are so happy you're here today.
So today's topic is super practical. We're talking about work conversations and sharing happy news. You know, the everyday stuff that actually matters in real life.
Exactly, because let's be honest, when was the last time someone asked you to recite Shakespeare at work?
Never. But people do ask, how's work going? Or what's new? All the time.
Right, and by the end of this lesson, you'll know how to answer naturally, share good news like a native speaker, and even start these conversations yourself.
We'll also do a fun role play together, so get ready to practice out loud.
All right, let's jump in.
Okay, so first things first, let's talk about work. Now, in English-speaking countries, especially places like the US, UK, Canada, Australia, people love small talk.
Yes, small talk is like friendly conversation about nothing too serious, and work is a very common topic.
So someone might say, how's work? Or how's your job going?
And here's the thing, you don't need to give a long, detailed answer. Keep it simple and natural.
Exactly. Let me give you some easy answers. Listen carefully. Work's good, thanks. Simple, right?
Super simple. Or you can say, "It's been busy, but I like it."
Ooh, that's a good one. Or if you're having a tough time, it's a bit stressful right now, but I'm managing.
See? None of these are complicated. You're just being honest and friendly.
Now, try saying one of these out loud. Seriously, pause the video or podcast and say, work's good, thanks.
Go ahead. We'll wait.
Okay, moving on. What if someone asks, what do you do? This means, what's your job?
Right. And here's a pro tip. Don't overthink it. Just say, "I'm a teacher," or "I work in marketing," or "I'm a student right now."
Perfect. And if you want to add a little more, you can say, I'm a teacher. I work at a high school.
Or, "I work in marketing. I help companies with social media."
See? 2 sentences max. That's all you need.
Now let's practice. Imagine I ask you, "What do you do?" Think about your answer. What would you say?
Take a second. Think about it. Then say it out loud.
Got it? Great. Now let's move to the next part.
All right, so another super common question is, how was your day?
Yes, this one comes up all the time. At work, at home, with friends.
And again, keep your answer short and natural. You can say, it was good, thanks. How about yours?
Or, "Pretty busy, but not bad."
Or even, it was okay. Nothing special.
I love that last one because it's so honest.
Right? Sometimes your day is just, okay, and that's fine.
Now, here's a little bonus. If something interesting happened, you can add one more sentence, like, "It was good. I finished a big project today."
Or, pretty busy. I had 3 meetings back to back.
See? One extra sentence makes it more interesting without being too long.
Exactly. So let's practice again. Imagine someone asks you, how is your day? What would you say?
Think about today or yesterday. What happened?
Say it out loud. It was good. And finish the sentence.
Nice. You're doing great.
Okay, hold on. Before we go further, I need to tell you something important.
Ooh, what is it?
Most English learners make one big mistake when talking about work or news. Do you know what it is?
Let me guess. They use too much formal language?
Exactly. They say things like, my occupational duties were satisfactory today.
Oh no, nobody talks like that.
Right? In real life, people say, work was fine today. Simple, natural, friendly.
So remember, don't sound like a textbook. Sound like a human.
All right, let's keep going.
Okay, now let's talk about happy news. This is one of my favorite things.
Me too, because good news makes everyone feel good, right?
Absolutely. So imagine you got a promotion, or you finished a big project, or you just had a great day. How do you share that in English?
First, you need to know some common phrases. Here's the easiest one. Guess what?
Ooh, yes. Guess what? This gets people's attention. It's like saying, I have something exciting to tell you.
Then you share your news. For example, guess what? I got a promotion.
Or, guess what? I finished my big project today.
Perfect. Now here's another phrase. I have some good news.
Yes, this is very direct and clear. You can say, I have some good news. I'm getting married.
Or, I have some good news. I got accepted into university.
Love it. Now, one more phrase. You won't believe what happened.
This one is great for really exciting or surprising news.
Right, like, you won't believe what happened. I won the lottery.
Or, you won't believe what happened. I met a famous actor today.
Okay, so we have 3 phrases. Let's repeat them together. Ready?
Guess what?
I have some good news.
You won't believe what happened.
Say those out loud. Practice them. Use them.
All right, so now you know how to share good news, but what about when someone else shares good news to you?
Great question. You need to respond in a positive, supportive way.
Exactly. Here are some easy responses. First, that's amazing.
Yes, or that's awesome.
Or, that's fantastic.
All of these show you're happy for the person.
You can also say, congratulations.
Or good for you.
And if you want to ask more, you can say, tell me more, or how did that happen?
Perfect. So let's practice. Imagine I say, guess what? I got a new job.
What would you say? Think about it.
You could say, that's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. See how easy that was?
You just had a full conversation in English. How do you feel?
Hopefully confident, because you're doing amazing.
All right, before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes.
Yes, because avoiding mistakes helps you sound more natural.
Mistake number 1, being too formal. Don't say, I'm experiencing a positive occupational transition.
Just say, I got a new job.
Exactly. Keep it simple.
Mistake number 2, giving too much detail. If someone asks, how's work, don't tell them your entire life story.
Right. Just say, it's good, or it's been busy.
Mistake number 3, forgetting to ask back. If someone asks, how's work, and you answer, also ask, how about you?
Yes, this shows you care and keeps the conversation going.
Great point. Avoid these mistakes and you'll sound amazing.
Okay, everyone, let's do a quick review. What did we learn today?
First, we learned how to talk about work. You can say, work's good, thanks, or it's been busy, but I like it.
Second, we learned how to talk about your day. Say, it was good, or pretty busy, but not bad.
Third, we learned how to share good news. Use phrases like, guess what, or I have some good news.
Fourth, we learned how to respond to good news. Say something like, that's amazing, or congratulations.
And finally, we learned to keep it simple, natural, and friendly. Don't overthink it.
Exactly. If you remember these 5 things, you'll sound confident and natural in English.
Oh, wait, before we finish, I have one bonus tip for you.
Ooh, what is it?
If you want to sound even more natural, use these little filler words, you know, I mean, and actually.
Yes. For example, work's good, you know, just the usual.
Or, I mean, it's been busy, but I'm managing.
Or, Actually, I just got promoted.
See, these little words make you sound more like a native speaker.
So start using them today.
All right, everyone, that's it for today's lesson.
We really hope you enjoyed it and learned something useful.
Remember, speaking English is all about practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Just keep trying.
Exactly. And here's your homework. Find someone today, a friend, a coworker, even yourself in the mirror, and practice one of these phrases. Say, "Guess what? I learned something new today."
I love that. And tell us in the comments, which phrase will you use first?
We want to hear from you. Also, if you have questions or topic ideas, leave a comment below.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mr. Englishman. It really helps us keep making these videos for you.
Next time, we're going to talk about how to make plans with friends in English. You don't want to miss it.
So stay tuned, keep practicing, and remember, you're doing amazing.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.